What if your home could feel like a lush, tropical paradise every single day? Imagine walking into your living room and being surrounded by cascading vines, bold, leafy plants, and fresh, calming energy that instantly melts your stress away. Indoor jungle style isn't just a trend, it's a lifestyle. And the best part? You don't need a huge space or a green thumb to make it happen. In today's video, I'm going to show you 12 stunning indoor jungle plant ideas that will completely transform your home into a green paradise. Trust me, you're going to want to try at least a few of these. 1. Create a statement corner jungle. Did you know the most boring corner in your home could become the most eye-catching spot in just one day? Most people ignore corners, but in jungle styling, corners are pure gold. Start by choosing one empty corner in your living room, bedroom, or even hallway. This is where your transformation begins. The secret is layering plants of different heights to mimic a natural jungle environment. Place a tall plant like a monstera or fiddle-leaf fig at the back to create structure. Then add medium-sized plants like snake plants or ZZ plants in front. Finally, fill in the lower space with smaller plants or ground cover varieties. But here's where the magic happens. Use different plant stands, baskets, and pots to elevate each plant at varying levels. This creates depth and avoids a flat, boring look. Don't worry about perfection. A jungle should feel slightly wild and organic, not overly styled. Lighting also plays a huge role. Position your corner jungle near natural light if possible, or add a warm indoor grow light to enhance the vibe. Within minutes, your once empty corner becomes a lush, calming focal point that draws attention the moment anyone walks in. And the best part? You can keep adding to it over time, making it grow just like a real jungle. Now that your corner is alive, let's take things upward, because your walls are about to join the jungle too. 2. Use hanging plants for vertical magic. What if you could double your plant space without using a single inch of floor? That's the power of going vertical. Hanging plants are one of the easiest ways to create that dreamy indoor jungle feel. Instead of crowding your floor, you bring your greenery up into the air, instantly making your space feel fuller and more dynamic. Start with easy trailing plants like pothos, string of pearls, or spider plants. These plants naturally cascade downward, creating a soft, waterfall-like effect that mimics vines in a rainforest. Install ceiling hooks, wall brackets, or even use curtain rods to hang them strategically around your space. The key is placement. Hang plants near windows where they can get enough light, or place them in corners to soften sharp edges. You can even hang them at different heights to create a layered, floating jungle effect. Another trick is using macrame hangers or woven baskets to add texture and personality. This doesn't just add greenery, it adds style. And here's something most people don't realize. Hanging plants also make your room feel bigger because they draw the eye upward. Before you know it, your room starts to feel like a lush canopy instead of a cramped space. Now that your vertical space is alive, let's turn your walls into a living masterpiece. 3. Style a plant shelf wall. What if your wall could become a living piece of art? Not just decoration, but a breathing, growing display. A plant shelf wall is one of the most aesthetic ways to build your indoor jungle. Start by installing floating shelves or using an existing bookshelf. Then, treat it like a curated display. Mix small plants like succulents, pothos, and ferns with decorative items such as books, candles, or framed prints. The goal is balance. Too many plants can feel cluttered, and too few can look empty. Play with height and spacing. Place taller plants on one side and smaller ones on the other. Let some trailing plants spill over the edges to soften the structure and add movement. Lighting is crucial here. Make sure your shelves are placed where plants can receive indirect sunlight. If not, consider adding subtle LED grow lights to keep your plants thriving. What makes this idea so powerful is its flexibility. You can rearrange your shelves anytime, swap plants, or update the decor to match your mood. Over time, your shelf wall evolves into a personal jungle gallery that reflects your style. And trust me, guests will notice. Now let's go bold, because it's time to bring in plants that truly steal the show. 4. Add large floor plants for impact. Want your space to instantly feel expensive, stylish, and alive? Then you need to go big. Large floor plants are the backbone of any indoor jungle. They create structure, height, and that bold wow factor the moment someone walks into your home. Think of them as the anchor of your entire plant setup. Start with statement plants like bird of paradise, rubber plant, or philoloef fig. These plants have large, dramatic leaves that naturally draw attention. Place them in empty areas where something feels missing, next to a sofa, by a window, or even near your entryway. The trick is to give them space. Don't overcrowd them. A big plant needs room to breathe so it can stand out and shine. Pair it with a stylish pot. Ceramic, woven, or matte finishes work beautifully to elevate the overall look. Lighting is key here. Most large plants love bright, indirect light, so position them near windows for best growth. And here's the secret. Even just one large plant can completely transform the energy of your room. Now that you've added bold structure, let's make your jungle feel even more real by mixing things up. 5. Mix different leaf shapes and textures. Ever wondered why real jungles feel so rich and alive? It's all about variety. If all your plants look the same, your space will feel flat and boring. But when you mix different leaf shapes, sizes, and textures, your indoor jungle instantly becomes more dynamic and natural. Combine large, split leaves like monstera with thin, delicate ones like ferns. Add glossy leaves like rubber plants alongside matte textures like calatheas. Even spiky plants like snake plants can add contrast. This diversity tricks the eye into seeing depth, just like in nature. Color variation also plays a role. Deep greens, light greens, and even variegated leaves with white or yellow patterns can make your jungle pop. Try grouping contrasting plants together instead of spreading them out. This creates mini visual zones that feel intentional and styled. And don't forget, imperfection is key. A real jungle isn't symmetrical, and yours shouldn't be either. Now let's take this lush vibe somewhere unexpected, your bathroom. 6. Bring the jungle into your bathroom. What if your daily shower felt like a tropical rainforest escape? Sounds amazing, right? Your bathroom is actually one of the best places to create a mini jungle. Why? Because many plants love humidity, and your bathroom naturally provides it. Start with moisture-loving plants like ferns, peace lilies, or pothos. Place them on shelves, windowsills, or even hang them near the shower area. If your bathroom has a window, you're in luck. Natural light combined with humidity creates the perfect environment for thriving greenery. If not, you can still use low-light plants or add a small grow light. Use compact plants to avoid clutter, especially if your space is small. Even just 2 or 3 plants can completely change the vibe. Add wooden or bamboo accessories to enhance that spa-like feeling. Suddenly, your bathroom becomes more than just functional. It becomes a relaxing sanctuary. Now let's elevate your setup, literally by adding layers to your jungle. 7. Use plant stands for layering. Think your plant setup looks a little flat? It probably just needs layers. Plant stands are one of the easiest ways to instantly upgrade your indoor jungle. Instead of placing everything on the floor, you create different heights that mimic how plants grow in nature. Use tall stands for medium plants and shorter stands for smaller ones. Mix materials like wood, metal, or rattan to add texture and style. Arrange plants in groups of 3 or 5 for a more natural look. Avoid lining them up evenly. Stagger them for a more organic feel. This layering technique makes your jungle look fuller without adding more plants. And here's the bonus. It improves light exposure by preventing plants from blocking each other. Now let's move toward one of the most powerful spots in your home, your windows. 8. Create a window jungle. Did you know your window is the most valuable space for your plants? It's basically their natural power source. Creating a window jungle is one of the easiest ways to keep plants healthy while making your space look stunning. Line your windowsill with small to medium plants that love sunlight. You can also add hanging plants above the window or place a small shelf nearby to maximize space. The sunlight shining through leaves creates a beautiful glow that transforms your entire room. It feels warm, alive, and incredibly calming. Just make sure to match plants with your light conditions. Some love direct sun, while others prefer indirect light. Rotate your plants occasionally to ensure even growth. Now let's take your jungle to the next level, literally, onto your walls. Add climbing plants on walls. What if your walls could grow plants? Welcome to the wild side of indoor jungles. Climbing plants like pothos, philodendron, or ivy can be trained to grow along walls using hooks, clips, or trellises. Guide the vines in patterns, straight lines, waves, or even across shelves for a unique look. This creates a natural, untamed jungle vibe that feels straight out of a rainforest. And the best part? It keeps growing over time, making your space more lush every month. Now let's complete the jungle vibe with the right materials. Incorporate natural elements. Want your jungle to feel truly authentic? It's not just about plants, it's about the whole environment. Incorporate natural materials like wood, rattan, bamboo, and woven baskets into your decor. These textures complement greenery and create a warm, earthy feel. Swap plastic pots for ceramic or woven ones. Add wooden shelves or a rattan chair nearby. These small details make a huge difference in how your jungle feels. Now let's talk about small spaces. Create a mini tabletop jungle. No space for big plants? No problem. You can still create magic on a small scale. Use coffee tables, desks, or side tables to group a few small plants together. Mix different sizes and textures for interest. Add candles or books for styling. Even a tiny setup can bring life and freshness into your space. Finally, let's bring it all together with a clean, stylish finish. Use matching pots for a clean jungle look. Want your jungle to look Pinterest perfect instead of messy? Consistency is the secret. Using matching pots or a cohesive color palette instantly makes your space look organized and modern. Choose tones like white, terracotta, or black and stick to them. This creates harmony, even if your plants are wild and varied. So, which indoor jungle idea are you going to try first? Whether you go big with statement plants or start small with a tabletop jungle, every plant brings you one step closer to your own green paradise. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more plant inspiration. And remember, your dream indoor jungle starts today.